Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to generate a QR code. Mobile QR codes or 2D codes are codes in the same way as ordinary barcodes, but their matrix structure can hold more information. The codes are also mobile, in the sense that you can use the camera on your mobile device to scan and decode them. After scanning it with your camera phone, you'll have instant access to the encoded information straight on the display of your mobile device. In this video, you'll see how to generate QR codes to be used for your business. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Go to Tools, and then click on Generate QR Code. Click on Add New QR. Enter QR code name. And enter QR code URL. Click Save. You can now see the QR code in your list. You can edit or delete the code. To download or print the QR code, click on the link. Medium, large or extra large based on your requirements. Thanks for watching.